All right, if you're one of my autistic or misophonic or otherwise sound sensitive bitches, you need to stay. These bitches, these Calmer earplugs, they funnel sound into like a more organized, like, it literally goes in your ear, and then when it takes the sound, there's still air going in your ear, but it makes the sound like less, I don't know how to explain it, because you still hear everything. And they're kind of weird to wear at first, so I was like keeping myself, I wasn't wearing them at work because I was like, I don't want to wear these for like 8 hours, you know? But then after my like carjacking and I was so vulnerable and overstimulated and I had to go to work, I was like, I need these in because I'm literally like going crazy right now. I have to have them. And so week 2 of wearing them at work, I like went home at night after an 8-hour shift, taking an hour and a half of public transit both ways. I wrote an entire chapter for my book. Like, my brain works. My brain works because I have these things now.